Avery. She recently started a YouTube channel, and she's going to be posting some videos soon. What's your username?
Bbug17.
Bbug17. And yeah. So in this vlog, so we are going to be going to a skimboard competition, and where is it, Dad?
Aliso Beach.
Aliso Beach.
In
In Laguna
Laguna Beach.
Beach, and I am super duper excited to go there and see all the cool people do like the skimboard thing. My mom's volunteering at that, and so we dropped her off. Now we're gonna go back and ride the trolley there. So we'll see you at the trolley.
So, while we were in the car, Aiden solved the Rubik's Cube. Aiden showed them the Rubik's Cube, the finished Rubik's Cube. The finished Rubik's Cube. He solves a bunch of them. They're really cool. He's learning how he likes solving the 3x3s. He can also solve the 2x2 really, really quickly. And he's working on doing the 4x4. If you didn't know, I got a new, I got a selfie stick because it's really easy to vlog with. Like, it can go like far and it can go close. And yeah, it's really good to vlog with. And just to let you know. Intermission kind of thing, like halftime, I don't know, but we're just sticking our feet in the water. And later today, I'm going down to a different beach to do a fire pit. So I think I will be vlogging that as well. But we're having a great time so far. We found a good spot, so yeah. And they have some really big waves here. How many feet do you think these are, Avery? Like 5? No.
4?
Maybe 2.
What?
3.
No, these are not 2 feet.
Those look like 2.
Let me show you. Comment down below what you guys think. So I am so sorry that I haven't vlogged much. We were just caught up in the whole experience and everything. We went home, we had some lunch. And yeah, we had some fun. So yeah, we're gonna go down to the beach for the fire pit later. So currently the update is I'm going to get ready for the beach. Everyone's gonna get ready for the beach. If you hear that in the background, it's Ice Age. We were watching that earlier, but it's not on right now. Let me show you. So yes, and then we're gonna go into the beach for a bonfire soon. So yeah, I'll see you down at the beach for a bonfire. And I just uploaded a new video. I uploaded 2 videos: the Dollar Tree makeup challenge and the school and my everyday school makeup routine. So yes, comment down below what day you started school, because I know that everyone basically starts on different dates. I start on the 22nd. So this is my outfit for the beach. I have this nice pink bathing suit top and these nice white shorts from Tilly's. This is from Target. So yeah, and then I think I'm just going to leave my hair down, and I think I might grab like a sweatshirt or a sweater. And yeah, I'm in the golf cart. We're about to drive down, and I changed, if you didn't know, I changed into this thing, which I did for junior guards, and I'm still wearing the same white shorts, just because the other one felt like it was getting a bit old, and this one's just, and that one doesn't fit me that well. So I like this one better, so I'm gonna wear this one. So yay, I'll see you down at the beach. Okay, so we are at here. I'm sorry I haven't vlogged because we were in the water, and it was kind of like, and then I went home and I took a shower because I felt all sticky. And then we came back down here. Right now we're eating. I had some, I had a hot dog, that's the word. I had a hot dog, I had some carrots and some dip.
some onion dip. Onion dip's the best. I just found that out like a month ago, and it's the best thing in the whole entire world. So yeah, we're just hanging out, and they have the prettiest sunset. Let me show you. Okay, so the movie tonight is Beauty and the Beast. So I'm super duper excited to see that. It's like the new and improved Beauty and the Beast. Okay guys, so I think I'm just going to end the vlog here. We're just going to have some s'mores, go back to the house and get to bed. So nothing that thing. And we're working on a music video. Picture this, a really funny one. If you haven't seen the Little Do You Know one, that's super duper funny. You should go check that one out. And so now we are just gonna just roast s'mores and get to bed, go home. Tomorrow's Sunday, and I might do a vlog tomorrow. So, oh, and don't forget to check out the music video. Yep. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like and comment what you want to see for the next video. Peace out.